American AutoWire recently released a reintroduction video for our classic update wiring kits. In that video, we broadly covered many of the features that make the classic update kits the best complete vehicle restomod wiring kits on the market. One of the items we mentioned is that our classic update kits include vehicle-appropriate expanded fuse panels with 16 or more ATO-style push-in fuses, often more than doubling the available circuits when compared to the original wiring. These extra circuits are exactly what you need when building a restomod vehicle. With modern wiring accessories like electronic ignition boxes, power seats, power windows, electric fuel pumps, connections to standalone electronic fuel injection harnesses, electric fans, modern stereos, etc. Each fuse panel includes a custom accessory connector pigtail, which acts as a convenient power port, making for easy installation of these added electrical components. This accessory connector is typically located right near the fuse panel and will include 5 or 6 heavy gauged wires that terminate a connector that looks like this. Each of these wires corresponds to a dedicated empty fuse on the fuse panel, which is available to use for your extra accessories. The mate to this connector is plugged in at the end of this pigtail and will look like this when you unpackage the fuse panel. All you need to do is to unplug this connector, then run the power feed wires from the device you want to power. Terminate the wire and plug it to the mating connector, aligning it with the appropriate power feed wire. The required terminals are provided in the kit. This simple process is used for any power accessories you add to your electrical system. Each of these power feed wires will have the maximum amperage rating included on the instructions, as well as the type of 12-volt source available on that particular wire. You will find these wires are a convenient mix of battery constant, accessory power, and ignition power feeds, so you have ample choices of circuit type. We will be covering these different types of power in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. If you are interested in learning more about our Classic Update line of products, subscribe to our channel and look for more Classic Update content in the coming weeks.